I want this to boil for 5 minutes because I want to extract the flavor from the cinnamon stick. Yeah. Cornmeal in the pot, and once you put it in there, you have to go ahead and start whisking. Whisk, 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 because you don't want it to get lumpy or start to stick. And speaking of stick, we're gonna go ahead and lower the heat to 3. So I'm going to add half pack of this coconut milk powder. I like to use the natural coconut, but I don't have any in the refrigerator at the moment, so this will do. So I'm just gonna use half a pack of that. Okay, then we're gonna add some water, just a tip, because you want it to be as creamy and as rich as possible, so we don't want to put too much water. I'm gonna put my coconut milk in, and like I said, guys, whisk, whisk, whisk. So yes, the porridge looks so creamy. It tastes, it has the right amount of sweetness that I'm looking for, but I can't let my mom watch my video and I don't add some condensed milk to my porridge. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some, not too much.